This video shows you how to make the tetrahedron. It's like a pyramid, except instead of having 4 sides and a base, it has 3 sides and a base. So it's a 4-sided solid. So when you open up Inventor, you can just go over here, click the drop down menu, click on Part, and we're going to start our sketch. Well, first we're going to save it. So we're going to go to File, Save. You'll find your student account here at the bottom. And I'm going to name mine 0. You'll put your period number, my last name, and then the part we're making. So this was a tetrahedron. And it's spelled on the paper I'm going to give you, so if you're not sure of the spelling, you can look at that. Click Save. And I'm going to start with a 2D sketch. So I'm going to click on my 2D sketch button. I'm going to select my XZ plane. I'm going to rotate that around. And now you probably have rectangle up here. Okay, so we don't want to make a rectangle. We want to make a triangle. And I could use the line tool, but a much easier way is if you click on the drop down menu underneath rectangle, you'll have polygon all the way here at the bottom. Okay, and this can make a polygon of however many sides you want. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to ask, okay, how many sides? So I want a 3-sided polygon, basically a triangle. And I'm going to hover over my origin until it turns green. I'm going to click once. Okay, I'm going to move up and click again. And I can click on done because I'm done with that tool, and go to my dimensions. So I'm going to dimension this edge right here. And if I look, this one is actually 2 inches. So I'm going to 2. And okay. Now, that line right here looks pretty horizontal, but I want to make sure it's exactly horizontal. So this button right here is the horizontal constraint. So I'm going to click on that button, and then I'm going to click on this line. And that makes sure it is perfectly horizontal, and I'm done with my dimensions. Okay, it knows all 3 sides are going to be the same dimension. Okay, and since I labeled that as horizontal, there's no other way it can be. So I'm going to finish my sketch. And we're going to go to extrude again. Now, if I extrude this like normal, I'm going to get just a triangular prism. We don't want that. So let's look at our drawing. So first, the distance, 1.633. So I'm going to type in 1.633. Okay, so that just made it taller. So that, obviously we have more to do. So back to my drawing. This angle right here, this is going to be our taper angle. It's negative 19.48. So the taper is going to be negative 19.48. And now you can see it's tapered right down to a point. So I'm going to click OK. And if I want, I can spin it around to see. Looks good. Okay, I can always click on my house here to go back to normal. And that is the part. So I would go back up to File, Save, and then that's it.